you all. I hope you all are studying well at your home. So today we have to start our new lesson, A Little Fish Story. This is really a very nice story. You must listen it and get a lesson out of it. So I'm going to start it. There are a great many million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and very small one at all at that. The story is about a little fish which was very small. You know that there are many fish in the sea, uncountable number of fish, because there are many million. But this fish was very small in size. Now, this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented, but he was not happy. This fish was having many things. Whatever he liked in the sea, it was available to it, but he was not satisfied. Why? You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. अब आपको हंसी आ जाएगी सुन के कि क्यों वो हैप्पी नहीं था. He was unhappy because he was so very small. The reason of being unhappy was his small size. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say over and over again. He always said that being a very small fish is not an easy task. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be, and he said it so many times that I think he believed it. Students, what happens when we say one thing again and again and again? It becomes true for us. It seems to be true. So this fish also always said that if I would be longer, I would be larger, I would be very happy. So he said it so many times that he nearly began to believe it, that his reason of unhappiness is only the small size. One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking no doubt how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he, when suddenly with no warning they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Now here it is the turn of the story. One day when he was swimming with his friends, with his school, here the word school is used for group of fish. You must have learned collective nouns where we give name to a group. So the name which is given to the group of fish is called school. So school is used for group of fish. So one day when he was swimming with his friends, with his school, he thought that the other fishes which are larger should be thankful of that, for being larger. So without no warning, at that time they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. A fisherman put his great net, a big net in the sea, and they all were caught in that. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat. So, there was much floundering. Floundering means when somebody is caught somewhere and trying to be free from that and trying hard to do something. So that is called floundering. And splashing is the sound of water when we jump or we run or we do something in the water. The splashing sound comes. So there was much of floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight. जैसे उस नेट को ऊपर खींचा जा रहा था सनलाइट में, there was a much of floundering and splashing. And just as its haul means the whole net with full of fish and all, when it was being emptied into the boat, the small fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool clear water. How good it felt. Actually, now what happened? The fish was very small in size, so it slipped back into the cool clear water, and it felt really very nice because it got free because of its small size only. So he swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well at the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. Now he was so much happy that he swam here and there, he swam everywhere, and some of his friends said that he would never say in his life that I'm small, I'm unhappy of being small, because now he wants to be a little fish only, because it was only his size which could save him from danger. So now he was happy of being small. So the lesson which you get from the story is that whatever we get in our life, we should be satisfied with those things, because some things are not in our hand, like our size, our complexion. These are the things which are not in our control. So we must be happy what we are. If we have to improve ourselves, we should improve our ability, our qualities. But sizes, complexions, these things does never matter. They never matter. The things matter is your qualification, your ability, your talent. So we should work on those things. We should not worry about that we are small, long, or whatever. Okay? So this is a really nice and good story for children. I hope you liked it. So I'm sending you new words, frame sentences, and word meaning. You have to write them in your notebook. Okay?